Hey guys, it's Dr. Ivy Branin here, Naturopathic Doctor of Simplicity Health Associates. We are still talking about some of my favorite products from Fullscript, which is an online dispensary. And if you have not yet set up your account with us, you can first of all get 10% off your first order, and it's super easy. Just look at the description in the video. There is a link there. Also, in that same link, you are going to be able to get direct access to all the products that I'm going to be recommending in today's video. So we are talking about vaginal dryness. And vaginal dryness does not just affect women undergoing or going through menopause or post-menopause, but it can actually be a big problem when it comes to breastfeeding, and might be one of the reasons why some women choose to either not breastfeed or abandon breastfeeding too quickly because they cannot endure the vaginal dryness. I also have had vaginal dryness associated with breastfeeding, and so I'm going to talk about what I use to overcome vaginal dryness so that I could be intimate with my husband and not be uncomfortable. So there's two products, and these are also products that I recommend for vaginal dryness associated with menopause and vaginal dryness associated with certain types of birth control. So there's two suppositories that I recommend. One is a vitamin E suppository by Carlson, and then the other is a suppository by Bezwecken. They're EPA Ovals Plus, which has a little bit of DHEA, which is a precursor hormone, progesterone, and then estriol, which is a very weak estrogen. And the good news with this one is, yes, it has a little bit of hormones, which actually really is going to help with the vaginal dryness, because one of the reasons why you have vaginal dryness in menopause, breastfeeding, and some forms of birth control is because there is a decrease in hormones, specifically estrogen, which is going to be making your vagina dry. But the good news is because it's in the suppository form and it's very low dose, you don't have to worry about this actually impacting your baby while you are nursing. How do we use these suppositories? So I recommend for the first month of use, alternating nightly with both of these. So the vitamin E and then your Bezwecken suppository. After that first month, then I recommend doing one of each, 1 to 2 nights a week. So 1 to 2 with this one, 1 to 2 with this one for maintenance. Some women, depending also on like how often you want to be intimate, once you go to maintenance, you could also just do every other week. And of course, you could even, if you're a little bit hesitant of the hormones, you could also just do the vitamin E suppositories, though I find that this combination works great for vaginal dryness. So those are the recommendations. Again, in the description of this video, there's a link so you can easily purchase these if you choose to use these. And of course, if you set up an account with us using our Fullscript, you will save 10% off this order. So hopefully found that helpful. Looking forward to talking to you more about some of the products I love, and of course, like other topics related to natural health and hormones. Dr. Ivy Branin, Simplicity Health Associates, looking forward to talking to you next time.